Now we're going to look a little bit at creating shapes with MaxScript. So we're in the Shapes category on the Create panel. Let's start with a circle. I'll just click here and create a circle. Let's see what we got here. I'll Control-C that to copy and Control-V here. So it's a radius. I'll go to the Modify panel here. We'll see the same thing. There's our radius. And it has this pause parameter. So this gives us the position of the center of the circle. So if I click here on the Move tool and roll up the mini listener here and set this to absolute coordinates, you'll see that the X, Y, and Z here is the same as the X, Y, and Z here. So this pause parameter gives the position of the object in terms of world coordinates. And pause is actually a property of the node class. So everything in the node class, which includes all shapes and all geometry, has this pause property. And then in addition we have isSelected is on. So let's just try changing something here. Let's go to the radius and make that 50. And I'll just set the position to 0. So it's just 0, 0, 0. I actually wouldn't have to include this because this is the default. If I leave pause out completely, that's what I'm going to get. But I'll just leave it in there for now. And then hit Enter on my number pad. And there's my circle. So now I'll try again, and I'll move that position 10 units in the positive direction on the x-axis. So here's my x-axis right here. I'll just put a 10 in there. Go back up here again, hit Enter on my number pad. And there's that yellow circle you can see that got created, and it's 10 units in the positive direction on X. Let me make this small. Let me just enlarge this. So here's the brown circle. It's the first one that got created at 0, 0, 0. Now the yellow one, as you can see, it's at 10 on X. 0, 0. If we go back here, it's at 0, 0, 0. So I'm going to select those now and just delete them and come back into the listener here. Let me just try this with no pause at all and hit the Enter key. As you can see, it made circle 05 and it put it at 0, 0, 0. And that's this green circle right here.